Hi guys, Vader by Hot Toys here. Welcome. Hope you enjoy it. Hi guys, Vader by Hot Toys here. I think today is going to be a good one. It's mail call day again. I hope this is what I've been waiting for. I promised you something special from Mortal Kombat. This could be the one. Fingers crossed. So I've already started to open it a bit. Let's just have a look. Oh yes guys, oh yes. It is.
Sorry.
Wrapped up very well. Ooh. It's like Christmas morning. Oh guys, you've got to see this guy.
This fails, I have to cut it loose.
GORO.
There's a personal and financial cost to that.
Oh my life. It's definitely not a kid's toy, it's age 17 plus. Look at the artwork on that. Guys, this guy is going to come at the packaging for sure. I'm going to do a Mortal Kombat scenery. He's huge. He's absolutely amazing. I don't know if you could see the artwork there. He's definitely going to be bigger than the other guys. But just as a comparison.
Interested not to be trusted.
And then you got.
Can't find you.
There's no time.
Hide. If I can't hide.
These figures are absolutely amazing. It's been going on in the toy groups for a while back. He said I'm going to start getting them. I paid quite a bit of money for this one. It was going for 200 plus on eBay, and I managed to get it for 150. So I'm very happy. This is very good. I can tell you on the back now. That's better. So sorry about that guys, I forgot the TV was on. So that is GORO. I will take him out of the packet. He needs to come out, you need to see him. Let's have a look. Be back. So here we are guys. This is GORO. Look at him. He's huge. He is absolutely awesome. His body's a bit rubbery at the top. That's just for the articulation. His arms move. Look at this guy. This is GORO. Oh, look at him, guys. What a fantastic figure. He's got like a spotty black back. He's got his red belt. Good movement in the knees. Not that much movement outwards with his legs, but he's only going to display anyway. But look at this guy. He does come with different hands. It looks like he's got a hairpiece. Yeah, he's got two separate hair pieces to go in his hair, obviously. But look at him. What a fantastic figure. So you can imagine him going up against Scorpion and Raiden. I have asked the wife for Sub-Zero for Valentine's Day, but I gave her a choice of 3 figures, so who knows, I might get him, I might not. Oh, brilliant leg. He's over there, but he's only going to be on display. So that's him, guys. That is GORO. It's just amazing. What a figure. Size of him. So yeah, he's definitely going to be my favourite Mortal Kombat figure without a doubt. I'm so happy I've got him. So let's see what one of the others look like, shall we? We'll go for sorry guys, you know what this is like. To stop the little thieves in the shop. Never get Barrack. Always for that. This guy is one of my. Can't help but look at this guy and believe he's like a 28 Days Later kind of character with the big bloody vampire teeth. But so let's get GORO back out again. You can see the comparison size. I mean, look at the difference. Stand them head to head. You know, he's kissing his chest, guys. Look at this. So imagine trying to fight him. Absolutely fantastic. The details on these figures, guys, are absolutely amazing. But they are very, very nice. Let's get a close up of he's got his two sword blades in his arms, obviously. And then it's back to the beast again. And when I get some more figures, guys, I will open them all. And we'll do a Mortal Kombat one special. But this is, look at that. They've done this fella, and I wonder why it was so expensive. But money well spent. Definitely money well spent. So that's it. That's the Mortal Kombat. That's the two I've opened for today. So I hope you've enjoyed the short video, guys. Please subscribe. I've got a Facebook page and a Instagram page as well. Vader Bow Hot Toys. I think one of them is just called Vader Bow Toys. But please subscribe. I will be doing more Mortal Kombat figures because I've got more on the way. Well, I hope I've got more on the way. It all depends on the wife. But happy toy collecting, guys. We all love toys. It's what it's all about. And I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about the TV stand.